Okay, this is a radial survey of a block of land. Hopefully you understand what this is. It's part of the course. This is in north degrees, 60 degrees out there. This has a bearing of 21. This has a bearing of 310 and different bearings down here. So the first question, explain why the angle AOB is 71 degrees. Well, if we have a look, this is a bearing of 310, so right the way around there is 310. So the rest of it up to 360 must be 50 degrees. This has an angle or bearing of 21, so this from north to the line is 21. So the whole lot is 71. There's the first one done. Explain why the angle AOB is 71 degrees. If we want to find the length of AB, now we're just looking at this triangle here. The length of AB, we've got one angle here and two sides. So one angle, we're going to use the cosine rule. A squared equals 75 squared plus 60 squared minus 2 times 75 times 60 times cos 71. Once we do all that, remember we have to hit the square root, and we get that A equals 79.3. It's always best just to put this straight into your calculator, one line. A squared equals 6,294, and then do the square root of answer. How are we doing the last one here? The next one is find the area of triangle AOB. So it's the same triangle. So how are we going to do that? It's going to be a half AB sine C. Remember, do you need to remember these formulas? They are on the formula sheet. Every year, the examiners always talk about how students didn't write the right formula down. Make sure, refer back to the formula sheet or the reference sheet. A half 60 times 75 times sine 71. What you get there is 2,127.4. Would that make sense? Well, it's a little bit less than half of 60 times 75, which sounds about right. Okay, so it's always good just to check to see if you're in the right ballpark. That looks pretty good to me. Thanks.